Hello, dear learners, welcome to Amuse. Thank you so much for coming to my channel English at Amuse. This is the place for English learners, most importantly for the people who think that they know English well, they can read, they can understand if someone is speaking, but they find it very difficult to speak for themselves. Maybe for many reasons. I would say that if you are coming to my channel for the first time, it would be very good if you go through the previous practice videos with the name English Follow #1 to #5 because it is a step by step practice work that we are doing here. And if you go through the previous videos, it would be very easy for you to understand how the things are going on here. I am Amrita Shan, and making English easy for the learners, making you speak English is my objective, is my passion. So let's get started for today. We are continuing with our present simple sentences, the sentences in which we make use of is am. So these are the sentences, these are not the tenses. Another easy thing is that we are not using any verb here. इसमें एक्शन वर्ड का यूज नहीं होता है, इज एम आर का यूज होता है. एंड इज यू नो इज फॉर सिंगल सब्जेक्ट, आई गोज विद एम, एंड आर जो है वो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए रहता है. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. मीन्स वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनी negative sentence where we are saying that where we are using no, never type of words. So simple sentences की बात हो रही है. Let's see that if the simple sentences are really simple. Some examples for you are, ये मेरा बैग है, this is my bag. सूरज एक सितारा है, the sun is a star. इंग्लिश आसान है, इंग्लिश इज इजी. यह बस पूरी तरह भरी हुई है, द बस इज फुली क्राउडेड. प्रदूषण एक वैश्विक समस्या है, पॉल्यूशन इज अ ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम. सो द सेंटेंसेस यू सी आर सिंपल, बट द थिंग इज कि क्या हमारे पास प्रदूषण, आसान, सितारा, भरी हुई होना, समस्या, do we have all these type of words with us? And when we make practice, really it helps, and many vocab, a good vocab go fresh in our mind, and many time we learn new words. So I am going to give you the sentences on the screen. I hope you are ready, and you will get a time of about 10 seconds in between, and you will say the sentences in English. दिवाली हमारा एक दिवाली हमारे देश का एक प्रसिद्ध त्योहार है. Dear learners, this is not a written practice. Within 10 seconds आप इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Deepavali is a famous festival of our country. हमारे शहर की सड़कें काफी चौड़ी हैं. The roads of our town are quite broad. What generally happens, the students say that they make the sentence, they start the sentence, but after some time they get short of words. Like they would say that the roads of our town are, and they would not be getting the word for that. So this is a practice that is going to help you a lot. हमारे सौर मंडल का सबसे गर्म ग्रह है शुक्र. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. पानी के अंदर का जीवन बहुत रहस्यमय है. The life underwater is quite mysterious. If new words are coming, I would advise you to take them in the notebook. यह एक महान संत का स्मारक है. This is a monument of a great saint. Monument means स्मारक. This is a monument of a great saint. यह एक दुखद समाचार है. It is a sad news. It is a tragic news. It is a sad news. Depends which type of news we are talking about. यह हमारे शहर के लिए एक अच्छा समाचार है. This is a good news for our city. This is a good news for our city. सफलता की तरफ ये तुम्हारा पहला कदम है. आई होप आप पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. This is your first step towards success. पिंजरा तो पिंजरा ही है. Cage is a cage. दुल्हन दूल्हे से लंबी है. In Hollywood movies, I have seen many times that the brides really look taller than their grooms. The bride is taller than the groom. कुछ सीखने के लिए यह एक प्रभावशाली ढंग है. This is an effective way to learn something. ये सब माँ का आशीर्वाद है. This is all mother's blessings. These type of things generally we use in our daily life. So many are the simple sentences that we know, the simple sentences that we speak. So we are making practice. Can we say the sentences in English? उसका दिल गरीबों के लिए दया से भरा है. उसका दिल गरीबों के लिए दया से भरा है. His heart is full of compassion for the poor. Compassion is the word I believe you need to take down in your notebook. यह एक खोटा सिक्का है. The coins that got some problem and we cannot use them in the market are called khota sikka. So khota sikka in English is, this is a base coin. चोरी करना पाप है. Stealing is a sin. यह तुम्हारे बलिदानों का परिणाम है. यह तुम्हारे बलिदानों का परिणाम है. This is the result of your sacrifices. मृत्यु अवश्यम भावी है. Death is inevitable. Inevitable means that is definitely going to come. जीवन एक लंबी यात्रा है. I believe this was easy for you. Good. Life is a long journey. मैं आपका प्रशंसक हूँ. Please ignore the Hindi mistakes. Yes, I am your fan. If you have told, it is also right. I am your admirer. ज्ञान एकत्रित करना ही मेरा शौक है. Dear learners, grammar is a simple thing that we can understand, I believe. But when we make practice, we come to know how the sentences are completed, and most importantly, we learn very important words that we need to use in our daily life. प्रैक्टिस से वर्ड सीखने को मिलते हैं. प्रैक्टिस से सेंटेंसेस कंप्लीट करने बनाने आते हैं. Accumulation of knowledge is my passion. Accumulation of knowledge is my passion means ज्ञान एकत्रित करना ही मेरा शौक है. And another important thing, when you make such type of practice, you also come to know of the right pronunciation because you are listening to me and you are getting how the words can be pronounced. तुम्हारा सुनहरा भविष्य है. Your future is bright. दुख सुख जीवन का हिस्सा है. Joys and sorrows are the part of life. आज बहुत शुभ दिन है. If you are saying important day, it is not an important day. It is an auspicious day. It is an auspicious day today. You can say like this. Today is important because in Hindi आज बहुत शुभ दिन है. स्कूल बच्चों के लिए शिक्षा के मंदिर हैं। Schools are the temples of learning for children. Schools are temples of learning for the children. हर बच्चा अपने ढंग से होशियार है। I too believe in this saying. Everyone has his own potentials, caliber, intelligence. God has bestowed everyone with wonderful qualities. हर बच्चा अपने ढंग से होशियार है। Every child is intelligent in his own way. मेहनत ही सफलता की कुंजी है। If you know the proverb, you would have given the translation in a fast manner. Yes, hard work is key to success. Generally, people say hard work is key of success. This is a common error. Hard work is key to success. आप अपने माइंड में फिक्स कीजिए। ये कानून सभी के लिए अनिवार्य है। This rule is mandatory for all. Mandatory is the word that is important and that is compulsory. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. This is a proverb. I am placing it in the category of simple sentences because it falls under simple sentences. Where there is a will, there is a way. And that is also very true. If really you want to reach somewhere, you get the ways. कहीं पहुंचना चाहते हो तो रास्ते मिल जाते हैं। पारिवारिक संपत्ति दोनों भाइयों के बीच दुश्मनी का कारण है। Maybe little difficult for you. The family the family property is an apple of discord between the two brothers. An apple of discord means दुश्मनी का कारण। वह अंधों में काना राजा है। I believe you would be saying कि मैम simple sentences इतने simple तो नहीं है। Yes, simple sentences simple नहीं है। ESMR is the thing that we know, but we are improving our vocab. We are making many things fresh in our mind by translating the things orally in this manner. He is a figure among ciphers. अंधों में काना राजा, figure among ciphers. So, good dear learners, now this is the time for revision and I am going to give you some sentences. You would look at the sentences and you will not read the sentences in Hindi this time. You will only try to speak the English of those sentences as fast and as loud as you can. Some sentences are coming on screen. Say the sentences of these, speak these sentences in English. ये सभी सेंटेंस अभी हमने किए हैं। अब देखो कितने इंग्लिश आपके माइंड में है। Little revision is always important. अगर आप ये sentences English में बोल पाए, then you should clap for yourself. It is really good. You are brilliant. If you learn, you keep the things in your mind. So keep it up. Time for worksheet for you. There is an interesting worksheet for you in the next slide. Complete each sentences by writing a simple sentence. Sentence दिया जाएगा आपको. I'm going to tell you example here. आपको उस सेंटेंस को सिंपल सेंटेंस कनेक्ट करके कंप्लीट करना है. So dear learners, like this child is my nephew. एक सेंटेंस आपको मिला है और मुझे इसे कंप्लीट करना है सिंपल सेंटेंस से. तो मैंने कंप्लीट किया कि दिस चाइल्ड इज माय नेफ्यू. ही इज वेरी ब्रिलियंट इन हिज स्टडीज. दिस चाइल्ड इज माय नेफ्यू. ही इज वेरी नॉटी. दिस चाइल्ड इज माय नेफ्यू. ही इज a boy of his own will. So have to complete the sentences in a simple form where you are not making use of any verb, any tense. I hope you could understand the worksheet and the sentences. The question of worksheet for you are, okay, if you are giving the right answers, dear learners, you are going to get the 5 stars. You can put your answers in the comment box and I will check your work and I will give you the stars according to the right answers you would have given. This bag is, the sun is a star, English is easy, the bus is fully crowded, pollution is a global problem. You have to complete these sentences by adding one more simple sentence in front of it. So you can pause the video here and you can put down your answers in the comment box. I believe you loved the practice way. So if the practice way is helpful and serve your purpose, just subscribe to the channel and get ready for the next video, that is English Bolo #7. We have completed today English Bolo #6. Thank you for watching my video. I believe that it was useful, informative, helpful. You enjoyed the practice lesson and you got some good words, pronunciation, and learned how to frame simple sentences. This is done for today. I would be very happy if you tell in the comment box how did you enjoy this practice video. I will see you in the next video, #7. Till then, bye bye and take care.